Alright guys, today I'm going to be replacing the neutral safety switch, and it's located on the bottom here. The reason I need to replace it is because whenever I put it in reverse, it's not sending the signal to turn on the reverse lights, the backup lights. So I tested it. I got the new one here, and it's for it's the part number. It's right there. It's the new one. So this is gonna be, this wires is gonna be your neutral to let your it's connected to your transmission. So basically, whenever it won't let you turn on your vehicle unless you have it in either park or neutral. So that's what this ones are, and this one is your reverse. I believe power comes in through here, and once you put it in reverse, it triggers the switch to connect to this one, and this one sends out the power to your reverse lights. So mine is, it's not, there is a way of testing it. Give me a second. Okay guys, so the switch is connected. It's basically gonna be like this, facing your steering column, your steering wheel. It has two screws here, one here and one here, and the reason it has this, so you can actually adjust it. You can slide it this way or this way. Once you get it right, where your transmission is in park and where you have it in reverse, so that way your lights can turn on, then you can actually tighten it down already. It goes like this. It's the one you see up there. It's basically up here on top of it. It's gonna go replace that one. I'm trying to take it off. It's very hard spot to reach to. Give me a second. In order to give me a little bit more clearance, I removed the bolt that goes here that holds the steering column in. That way I can slide it that way a little bit. That way gives me a little bit, that won't be as close to the firewall. I didn't slide it completely out, I just slid it out maybe about an inch. So that gives me a little bit more clearance to work on the inside. Alright guys, I took out the 1/4 inch screws, or it has two, they're real small. And that's the only thing holding in the neutral safety switch. I kind of tilted it to help me take it off. But it's already out. So that's the old one right there. Okay. Let's compare it to the new one. Alright guys, now let's I guess we'll install it and put it back. Alright guys, before installing the new neutral safety switch, I was gonna show you a way to test it. All you do is go to the continuity, and first we're gonna test the park and neutral switch. So basically, whenever this, right now it's open, so whenever it's in park, this should be, and you can hear that it's now let's try the old one. This, I know it works because it will turn on the truck. Let's try the reverse. Okay, so the reverse works. As you can see, it's in park and it's going off. There's something wrong with the switch. It's going off all over the place. Right there, it's in drive and it's going on. So all you gotta do is just test between these two. Move it into park, which will be all the way this way. And you should have connection between these two once it's in park. In reverse will be, reverse is somewhere right here in the middle, and then you should have connection between these two whenever you have it in reverse. This one is not giving me nothing here, it's giving me reverse when it's like in drive. So something either inside, it's either corroded or something's going on inside the switch itself. So I gotta replace it. As you can see guys, I already have the new neutral safety switch installed, and now that I have that, I'm gonna check once I put the, it took me a while to adjust it, the column, so that it can work whenever I put it in. Right now it's in park, it's all the way up, so you can see there's zero connection between those two right there. But once I put it into reverse, we have connection. Once I put it back into park, no connection. Reverse, park. And I did that. I tested both. This side is for the reverse lights, and on the opposite side, you can't really see it, but the opposite side is this one. And whenever it's in park, it gets connection here, and that's to let your motor turn on. So I'm running the two wires from the neutral safety switch from the computer going to this one. That way they know when to turn on the motor. So now let's test out the backlights. Let's test the backlights, the reverse lights now. That'll be your reverse. As you can see, we have our reverse lights on now.